Welcome to SkillForge-AI, the platform that treats AI agent skills as falsifiable, evolving hypotheses. Right from our intelligence dashboard, we get a bird's eye view of our entire autonomous ecosystem, tracking skill creation, success rates, and the average performance lift across all generations. Let's dive into the Skill Studio. Here, you can define any task for an agent. We provide quick start scenarios covering edge cases, adversarial inputs, and more. When we hit run full evolution, you'll see our rigorous 8-stage pipeline in action. It doesn't just generate code, it critiques it, runs a multi-layer safety audit, evaluates baseline performance, and deterministically refines it into a hardened production-ready asset. Down below, we can instantly verify the benchmark lift and even test the skill safely inside our sandbox playground. For deep autonomous research, the Evolution Laboratory visualizes the entire genome of a skill. We can track its Pareto frontier, balancing safety and capability in real time. Once certified, these assets are immutably stored in the skill library, providing a complete versioned history of every generated skill. Back in the lab, running complex edge case experiments generates rich live telemetry. Our benchmark heat maps and evolution timelines show exactly how a candidate variant performed against rigid testing criteria, ensuring nothing slips through. Need to know exactly what changed? Our comparison mode lets you select any two versions of a skill and instantly overlays their capability genomes. The score delta analysis gives you precise percentage point shifts so you never have to guess if a new version is actually better. You can browse pre-certified, community-driven templates in the marketplace and import them instantly. Meanwhile, the experiment archive maintains a hash-backed, immutable record of every evolution cycle you've ever run. Transparency is everything. The Evidence Explorer lets you drill down into case-level outcomes, and in the Red Team arena, we subject every skill to 24 rigorous adversarial attack vectors, from prompt injections to sandbox escapes, guaranteeing that your agents remain secure under hostile conditions. When things do fail, they are never forgotten. The failure memory module tracks persistent causal chains of historical edge cases, ensuring the system learns and resolves them over time. Need to scale? The batch runner queues up multiple evolution tasks to run sequentially. Finally, the Safety Center and System Status dashboards keep you in total control, monitoring active guardrails and live API health. SkillForge AI isn't just a generation tool, it's an empirical laboratory for building the next generation of safe, reliable AI agents.